You woke up stiff, not sore from effort, but stuck from inactivity. It's like groggy heaviness in your legs. The body hasn't fully switched on. This isn't just tightness. It's stored tension from sitting, stress, and stillness. Let's hit the mat. Let's break the freeze and step into motion, literally. Step your right foot forward, a drop into a lunge, a back knee lowers, a chest stays tall. Feel the stretch across your left hip flexor. Keep your balance. Switch legs after 30 seconds. This move fires up the hips, quads, and glutes while opening the front of the body. Beginners hold onto a wall for stability. Advanced switches add a slide pulse or reach arms overhead. Lunges don't just train legs, they unlock pelvic alignment. Can you stay controlled in your descent? Let the tension melt. Good. That just activated your hips. Now let's fire up the glutes. You're not here just to stretch your hips. You're here to train them to stay open. On all fours, lift your right knee out to the side like you're opening a door. Slow and controlled, then lower and repeat. Alternate sides halfway if needed. You should feel your outer glutes wake up fast. Beginners keep the lift small and stable. Advanced, add ankle weights or pause at the top. This move strengthens the glute medius, your pelvic stabilizer and secret weapon against knee pain. Hold the top for 5 more seconds. Do you feel that yet? That's your glutes activating. That just lit up your stabilizers. Now let's add some motion. Let's stretch and strengthen the inner thighs. Step wide, sink into a lunge on one side while keeping the opposite leg straight. Push off and switch sides like a pendulum. Slow, steady, fluid. Feel the groin open, the glutes engage, and the hips mobilize. Beginners use a chair for support or reduce your depth. Advanced, stay lower for the full minute or hold a pause on each side. This lateral move hits neglected muscles that walking and running miss. Still with me? Then hold your next lunge 5 more seconds. Sink into it. That just unlocked your adductors. Now let's stretch your quads. This is your grand finale. Stretch meets strength. Start to stand. Hinge forward, touch your toes, then drop your hips into a deep squat. Lift your chest, hold, then rise your hips again. Repeat. This activates hamstrings, glutes, and spine mobility all in one. Beginners, keep heels off the ground or use a block. Advanced, keep heels grounded, spine tall, and repeat fluidly. This movement pattern reteaches your body how to move efficiently. Hip hinge, squat, stand. Can you do one more rep? Then another? Last 5 seconds? Let's go.